Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today we will learn about the star-delta wiring method of three-phase AC fans. Now our technical engineer will demonstrate and explain to us.
Taking the SR4D500R0301 as an example, you can see that there are a total of 9 outlet wires in the fan. In addition to the ground wires for thermal overload protection, the white and the yellow-green one. The remaining 6 wires are the lead wires of the three-phase winding of the motor. For wiring, we can refer to the wiring diagram in the fan or specification book. They are all clearly drawn, such as the wiring diagram in the specification book of this fan. The first diagram is a delta connection, the second diagram is a star connection, and the table below explains the lines of each color. Let's first demonstrate the star connection. The star connection is to connect one end of the three-phase windings of the motor together and the other end to the three-phase power supply. We find the 3-wire use the D2W2. The corresponding colors are green, white, and yellow, and then connect them together. The other NG1, B1, W1 and the three-phase power L1, L2, L3 are connected one by one. Next, demonstrate the delta connection. The delta connection is to connect the three-phase windings end to end, as shown in the figure. U2 is connected to D1. D2 is connected to W1. W2 is connected to U1. And then the three-phase power is connected to the 3 connection points. So that connected.
Have you got it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.